Hey, Caramel here, and today I want to talk to you guys about one of the ways I've used to improve my videos on YouTube. In this video, I'll be focusing on the scripting aspect, which is something that's been really big for me. I started making tech vids back in 2016, and being on camera, let alone having to talk to one, wasn't really one of my strong points. Even to this day, it's something I'm still not fully used to, despite having made a number of videos. As many others usually do, I've tried some tips and tricks to get around that, like having an outline for the video that I keep nearby to make sure I hit certain points. If you're anything like me though, once that camera starts rolling, you can just kind of ramble on or not come up with the right words to say in the moment. You then end up with this super long, convoluted jumble of a mess that you have to sit through editing just to try to make into a usable video. I've personally gotten drained and honestly just pretty demotivated after having to spend so many hours recording and editing videos. Tech is something that I really love, but that whole process just wasn't working very well for me. I needed a better, more efficient way to create content, and that's where this really came in handy. Having the teleprompter opens up the option to fully script out my videos and be able to follow along with it while still connecting with my viewers. I can decide what I'll say before I even step foot in front of the camera. This is a huge time saver for me and also kind of relieves the stress and pressure from having to try to converse with a camera, which is not very fun, by the way. Some people are just naturals with that stuff. They can step in front of a camera and just rattle off a bunch of great content. For the rest of us though, this is the best way to overcome that and make those great videos, whether it be tech reviews, beauty videos, or any other kind of talking head videos. Also, with scripting out your video comes planning shots, and doing so I can figure out beforehand exactly what kind of shots I want or need for certain scenes. I can also plan out which gear I'll need for that shot. In this case, I have the Ultra Flex Plus locked down on sticks, and I'm using the 15mm rail mount block to mount the camera rig on it. This leaves me free to quickly remove the camera and go to a handheld rig, which unlike the lockdown shot, I'll need control of the focus. So I can throw in a follow focus like this MF15 from Vids to get some nice moving shots, whether it be handheld or on a gimbal. Also, since I know I'll be using it, I can leave the gearing on the lens, so the setup is even that much quicker, saving even more time. There you go, just like that we made a significant improvement compared to my previous videos. In order to make high quality content, you need some high quality gear, like this Ultra Flex Plus and follow focus. It makes the process so much easier than trying to use other workarounds, which ends up saving plenty of time and thus money. I'd like to give a special thanks to PrompterPeople for making this video possible. Make sure to check out their range of teleprompters, and if you're still questioning the importance of them, whether it can really help an inexperienced actor such as myself, just go ahead and watch any of my previous videos. Then you can come back, like, subscribe, and check them out. Stay tuned for my next video where I go more into detail and give you guys a full review of the Ultra Flex Plus, as well as some tips to properly use it. Thanks for watching.